that theoretical lessons, theory lessons, all that lessons which are given in your textbook for 70 marks. So 70 marks are there for the preparation of theory. You have already seen there. Some of the lessons are left over there. We are going to complete that lesson. Afterwards, this is a very important part for you. That is 30 marks. Practicals are there for physics, chemistry, biology, and for mathematics and geography there are 20 marks. Okay. So this is what we are going to complete for physics only because we are related with physics subject. The other teacher will tell you what exactly the format is given for that subject. So this is what physics practicals we have to complete for 30 marks and you have to prepare all that experiments, that journal and everything in such way that every student can secure 30 marks. It is possible for all of you. And in theory it is very difficult to secure 30 marks. Because in theory while you are writing 2-3 pages then you are getting 1 half and a half and a half marks. So that focus on these 30 marks. We have already seen there. And now what are the factors related that you don't know anything about these practicals. So that today only I am giving with online session as online session as well as offline session. So in this case, what you are going to do perfectly, that I am going to tell you. So is it clear to all of you? This is what physics practicals. 30 marks practicals are there. Bifurcation of marks are already given in your textbook. You can see that textbook, practical book, not in textbook, practical book, and you will get the marks of that in this. So what is the practical book? I think you have purchased this practical book. I told you that this is what the practical book for physics, published by Bal-Bharati. Okay, so all of you have to purchase this practical book. Everything is given in this book. After purchasing this book, write your name, student's name. Our junior college is ASDB Tadawala Junior College, so you can write down this. Your class is 12th, division is B. Those who are from 12th A can write their 12th A. But we are from 12th B, so write their 12th B. Your HSC seat number you will get afterwards. Okay? So these things are clear to you. You have to purchase the practical book, write your name, standard, division, everything, complete it. Because after submission, maybe you will lose your practical book. So that if your name is there, then nothing is happened in this case. Now, some of the important factors are given in this book. What are the requirements, required practicals, that instruments required for that practical is also given there. Physics laboratory manual is also given there, what manual is required. But you are not going to see exactly what are the requirements, manual and everything. We have to start with the next experimental sheet. The total marking scheme is given on this page number 2. On page number 2, you can write down in your notebook. If you have to notate that points, then the mark sheet is given. How to bifurcate that marks, how the marking distribution is there. Write it in your notebook. It is given in page number 2. So note down there in your notebook. On page number 2, it is given. We have to complete 10 experiments, 7 activities. For this year, you have to complete 10 experiments, 7 activities. And then the bifurcation of marks accordingly as it is, which is given by the board. There is no change in the colleges as well as in your standard division like this. Everywhere it remains same. In any college, you have to follow the same rules which are given in this practical book. So these are what 3 things you have to remember. First thing is that you have to purchase the practical book, you have to see the marking scheme, and we are giving you how to write that and how to take the readings at the proper experimental path. In the laboratories, you have to take the readings. Afterwards, in the offline college will start. So that the first introductory lecture I am giving you about this practical. So I am not going to give the discussion about this 30 marks, how the 30 marks are distributed in that one way. You can read it through the practical book. We have to complete the experiments as well as activities. 10 experiments, 7 activities, or whatever, if it is in reduced syllabus, then we are follow the same instruction given by the book. We are not going to burden that students that they are all experiments, all activities. If it is published by board, then we are giving you the same. So this is the bifurcation of it. In the experiment as well as in the activities, you have to note down some of the readings. You have to perform that practical and note down some of the readings. Afterwards, some of the log table is also required for the calculation. But you don't have any idea about log table. What is log table and where we have to use the log table? Maybe in mathematics you have studied there. Some of the part of that log table, introductory log table, you have already studied. But just now we can see the next one part of the experiment. Huh? Experiments which are there. So the experimental list is already given in your practical book. This is the list which is given on page number 3. So that on this page number 3, the number of experiments are there. Time to time we are giving you with the name of that experiments, and you have to complete this file, complete the sheet, and next in the next practical you have to submit it. Sheet means before that previous 2 years back, we have the student has to write everything on the paper. But here now you are fortunately you are not going to write that everything. You are not going to draw that diagram and everything are given in the book. Only you have to note down the readings, so that it is very easy for you to complete this practical book. In the previous batches, which were from this new syllabus when it is started, then it was given in the proper sheet on the plain paper. These all things you have to complete. But now we have to write down only the readings. Means यहाँ पे आपको खाली readings लिखना है. Everything is given in the practical book. So this is what given by the book. So that we are going to follow the same thing. Now aim, apparatus, formula, diagram, everything is given here. But at the time of examination, you have to write everything orally. In physics only, this is given. On your table, this apparatus is given to you. Name of the apparatus, name of that in the form of aim is given to you, and you have to complete all these things which are given in the practical book. So that you have to practice it, how to write, how to explain, and what are the things related with that experiment. You have to remember at the time of practical examination. So that this is what is the related with practical. Again I am explaining in the same way. You have to purchase this practical book. एक practical book तुम्हाला घ्यायचं आहे. Practical book घेतल्यानंतर ते वाचा थोडंसं त्याच्यात इंट्रोडक्टरी काय काय दिलेलं आहे. हे सगळं वाचल्यानंतर त्याचे मार्किंग स्कीम कसे असणार आहे फिजिक्स मध्ये ते पण दिलेलं आहे. जे आम्ही जे प्रॅक्टिकल तुम्हाला दाखवतोय किंवा जे कंप्लीट करायचे ते तुम्हाला त्याप्रमाणे बघता येणार. So that you have to complete it, focus it on these 30 marks. Now the first practical I am going to explain you, that is sonometer. I think in sound waves you have seen there, the sound waves are propagated in the medium. Two types of sound waves are there. Which are that? One is transverse wave, second is longitudinal wave. Sound is nothing but the longitudinal type of wave. Now we have to catch that longitudinal type of wave in such way that the frequency, natural frequency of the pole coincide with the frequency of this wire. Then the resonance is created on that wire. So we have to see that resonance. You have studied in the sound waves, that resonance is created. Resonance is created means the maximum vibrations are created in the medium. We have to see that position through this experiment. Nothing is very difficult to see that. The same thing which you have studied in theory, in that case waves, sound waves, that we have to follow here in the experiments. What are that things and how to take the readings that I am giving you about them. So the first practical, sonometer. What we have to verify? L indicates that the frequency. L indicates that resonating length. And the product of this is constant. This means what? This means what? This L is directly proportional to the length of that, and that's why we can see that it is in the inverse proportion that will be changes. So that we are going to prepare the table because I am going to write the values for N and N because I am going to find out this. So this is the frequency. This is the length which is given in your book, and in this way I have written this frequency and length like this. The different frequencies means what? We have seen there. What is the meaning of frequency? That is the number of vibrations performed in 1 second is called it as frequency. And that frequency having different values which are given in the form of codes. So while we are going to see that experimentally, these are the instruments to see or to observe that the waves are propagated in the middle. These are the codes having different frequency. Why we have to take different frequency? Because we have also seen in the 11th standard the errors and mistakes are created. And to avoid them, we have to take the number of readings. And when you are taking the number of readings, in that case, the mean value is nearly equal to the real value. And that's why we have to take the real value. All these three experiments, while I am going to explain it, it is having with the same concept, with the same table. We have to measure for the different codes, different values are there. One is 512, second is 480, third is the values are given on this one unique code. So that it is written over there. I can write only that values which are given on this code. The second is there, that is 384. Third is there, 384. And obviously, if the frequency is different, the corresponding length which is created for the resonance is also different. And we have to note down that resonating length in the three experiments simultaneously with the same way. Only what is the change that I am going to share with you. Now, the first thing we have seen having the different frequency of code are available in the lab and you have to note down the readings. Vibrations are created on this one instrument, but we can't see that properly. Where the vibrations are created and is it there? It is very activated for a small interval. And that's why the small value, why we are going to consider, we can't see that or we can't imagine it, and that's why two tests are there to identify the resonance created on that one experiment. So that how to take that resonance created on that one, two ways are there. One is a sound test. At the resonance, the sound is maximum. But we can't identify that sound also because every person is different. And that's why instead of that sound test, we are going to use paper rider test. So when the resonance is created on that wire, then the paper rider is either vibrated maximally or maybe it is thrown off. If it is thrown off, then we are going to see there that is the situation or that resonance position is created. You have to note down by the scale that scale by this distance, and then for the different ports we are going to identify this. In short, what you have to do is you have to see the exact position of resonance. Measure this distance and then note down it, and then find what is the aim of the experiment. Product of A into L is constant. Two methods also we are going to follow. One is the calculation method. Second is the graphical method. Graph also we can draw it, and you also verify it. How can we? If I am going to, I have to show this NL is constant. This means what? I have to show there. That is, if I have plotted the graph, then it is a straight line passing through maybe origin or maybe shifted origin. If shifted origin is there, then not necessary to pass it through that. So that you have to remember, this is the graphical method to show there that is NL is equal to constant. So in this way, we have to find out this. These are the two methods. Actually, when you can do it, then you have to take this frequency, fork, reciprocal of that length and everything. We are going to post on your group, and you can complete all this. So for completion, there is no problem. For completion, there is no problem because we are giving you exactly what is the situation. And now, how to take the readings for first two experiments, sonometer 1 and sonometer 2, and third experiment is there, that is resonance 2. Only what I have explained here, for different tuning forks, different readings are there. Different readings are there means we are going to find out for each fork and then for the, and you have to find the product of this by using log table. But you don't have any idea about log table, so that's why we are giving you how to write the log value. Still, we are giving you the demonstration of this sonometer one. This is what is the 512 frequency. यहाँ पे लिखा है other value of this 280. Then afterwards this is given 384 frequency. So I have to use one by one and note down 5 or 6 readings. Why? To avoid mistakes and errors. Now the first thing is that is the values can changes. How can you take the reading? How can you note down the reading? That I am going to show you. This is what a paper rider. Paper rider means what? A short small piece of paper. See here. See here. What I am going to explain. Now, how to take the readings? You can see offline. You have to perform this experiment in lab afterwards. So for sonometer 1, I have selected one of the four having frequency this 512, and it is in the, obviously while NL is constant, it is in the inverse proportion. Inverse means what? If frequency decreases, length increases. If frequency increases, length decreases, then this product remains constant. Okay, now how to take the readings, that I am going to explain. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, वहाँ पे क्या करना है, और सेकंड सोनोमीटर 2 में क्या करना है, वो अभी मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. How to create and how to see the position. कुठे पोझिशन बघायचे आहे की जेव्हा हा पेपर रायडर एकतर मॅक्झिमम हलायला पाहिजे किंवा तो बाहेर पडायला पाहिजे. आता ते दोन पैकी कोणत्या याच्यात होणार आहे, कशी ऍडजस्टमेंट करणार आहे ते बघू. दिस इज कॉल्ड इट as bridges.
Hello students, the meeting is scheduled for 1 hour, but it automatically will get terminated after 40 minutes. So everyone has to rejoin on the same link if you get out of the meeting. 40 मिनट के बाद मीटिंग खत्म होगी। 40 मिनट के बाद वही लिंक पे लॉगिन करके रिजॉइन करना है हर एक को।
याचं उचललं
हो ना, काहीच नाही, काय प्रॉब्लेम आलाय काय.
ओके दाखवतो मला. Now this is what is called it as a rubber band where we can set it into vibration. In 1 second 512 times it is vibrated each and every particle so that it can be easily activated like this. See, but we can't identify through the naked eyes. So that to see the position exactly in the sound waves you have studied there, from both the sides the waves are created. Now this is what first we are going to set it into vibrations. Listen the sound and see this vibrations. While you are getting the vibrations, okay, all of you can come and stand here because you can see that very easily. और यहाँ पे खड़े रहो, थोड़ा डिस्टेंस,
माझं तर चालूच होत नाही आज.
थोड़ा डिस्टेंस. अभी आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू एडजस्ट द पोजीशन. आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया बिकॉज आई हैव प्लेस्ड एज इट इज. नाउ दिस इज सेट इनटू वाइब्रेशन. क्लियर? नाउ आई हैव टू एडजस्ट इट टू द एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन. Maximum vibrations are getting there. Now this is for 512. So these are the folds where the frequency is already written there. And then I have used 512. I have to measure that the length between these two bridges is my A, where the resonance is created. This means what? On this wire, the resonance is created because the frequency of the pole coincide with frequency of this wire, so that the wire is getting a maximum vibration. Now I have to measure it, so that from this distance it is equal to 12.2. So I can write here for 512 it is 12.2 centimeter. If you are getting somewhat different, you have to write it that way, because every sonometer is different while you are getting that one. Secondly, which is given there 480. It is written already. I don't have any idea, but what I have the idea, if the frequency is less, then the length is increases. Okay, so that two things you have to remember. Keep this paper rider exactly at the center. Then keep it in such way. And now what to do? I have to increase the distance only. So that I am going to set this, listen the sound first and then start for the adjustment. Now see. And if that position is not seen properly at the moment, and if you have changed this distance, then so many problems will be created. What problem? You will never get that position exactly at the moment, because you can extend it that one in the second resonance. So you will get the second resonance. Till that you are not getting the reading. So that very slowly you have to see this. Now see. While getting maximum vibration, then slight change is necessary, and if you are not changing it, you can see the vibration, it is sufficient. If I have changed it slightly, then see this, it stopped its vibration. Why? Because the resonance position is already given in that one time interval, but I have extended that one distance so that you will not get. Now see, vibrations are getting over there. Okay, so either maybe it is thrown off, or you have to take this. vibrations, maximum vibrations position. Measure this distance, maybe slight changes are there. Note down it and note it in your book. What is that? That is a 13, near about 30. So this is what second reading is 30. So in this way, you have to note down the reading. So these are the same factors which in the first sonometer I have changed the frequency. In second sonometer, what to do? I have to change this one distance, that is the tension. Tension on this string will be changed, and the same position you have to adjust. The same position while you are going to adjust it, keep the minimum distance and adjust it in such way that it is having maximum. Vibrations, after getting vibrations, stop. Clear? And this experiment you have to repeat it with all this. Note down all that reading, do the calculation, complete the graph and everything. This is for sonometer 1 and sonometer 2. Only what is the change? यहाँ पे क्या change हो रहा है कि only the tension is going to be changed. Means यहाँ मैं अभी 500 से increase कर रही हूँ, 500 से मैं अगर increase कर रही हूँ, तो वहाँ पे खाली वो tension जो है, तो वहाँ पहले 1000 और 1500 हो गया, फिर 2000 हो गया, फिर 2500 हो गया. In this way, only the tension is going to be changed. And in the experiment, in this second experiment, you are getting only one tuning fork. Because what you have to change, आपको distance change करना है. Fork is not going to be changed in the second experiment, but the procedure is remains same. Afterwards, in the third case, sound waves are also created inside the tube. ट्यूब में भी वो साउंड वेव्स क्रिएट होते हैं. कैसे होते हैं, कैसे आपको रीडिंग लेना है वो मैं इन शॉर्ट आपको दिखाती हूँ, फिर बाद में आपको लैब में लेना है. कैसे लेना है वो. दिस इज व्हाट इज आल्सो द एडजस्टमेंट फॉर दिस सोनोमीटर. दिस इज व्हाट सोनोमीटर का आपको पता चल गया where the maximum vibrations are there. You have to note down that position and then you can see that one position for different tuning fork. सोनोमीटर 2 में आपको क्या करना है कि ये चेंजेस करना है. पहले 1000, फिर 1500 और फिर आपको चेंज करना है. फिर आपको चेंजेस करने हैं in such way that you have to go through that one and complete that in the book. I am giving also this book how to write it. I am going to show you this one also and see this next part of the experiment. So how to write it? We are giving you for this experiment with page number. You are getting it. Some of the questions are also given there. You can see that through the text. This is what the A-man experiment is given over there. यहाँ पे तो आपको कुछ करना नहीं है. यहाँ पे आपको जो यहाँ पे आपको जो लिखना है वो आपको हम लोग पोस्ट कर रहे हैं ऑन ग्रुप. You can note down that. Complete that 3 experiment, 4 experiment which we are giving. 3 only we have seen just now. And afterwards, while you are coming for the practical on that in that period, you have to perform that in the practical. So how to perform this adjustment? You have to practice it, how to adjust it and how to do. So one tact I told you that you have to write all that frequency of the fork in this way, so that automatically it is increases. And then you have to write down all these things by the log is expected. But for this year we have not seen the logarithmic. You don't have any idea about log table, so that directly we can write it. For that purpose we are sending it on the group. अभी लॉग अगर पढ़ाने बैठे ना हम लोग को पूरा 1 साल लगेगा लॉग पढ़ाने में. फिर आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करोगे, फिर यहाँ आओगे तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा. Instead of that, you have to write down only this log calculation. That's why we are setting it on the graph is also there, and if you have taken the reading and if you have plotted the graph, there is also difference, and that's why you can't understood how to plot the graph, how to find out the graph. That's why for this same reading the graph is plotted here. Same graph you can plot it in your practical book, and you can understand there better way than you have performed that practice in the lab. So these are the first two experiments that you have to see. Now for the next one. This is the diameter of the tube. This is one of the tube which is placed inside a plastic jar. Now this is the tube we are using here in this way. That is, the sound waves are also created in this tube. Now here also the resonance is created inside that tube. But how can you identify that the resonance is created? That's why you have to adjust the position. It is depend on the diameter of the tube, so that in the observations it is given there. This vernier caliper also you have not used in the 11th standard. Only you have maybe read or maybe seen or whatever. I think you have not seen in the practical session. No? But this is the measuring instrument where it can be used directly. So that the diameter आपको measure करना है. आप खाली ये स्केल से भी measure कर सकते हैं कि ये यहाँ पे मैंने रखा और कितना diameter. ये भी measure कर सकते हैं. लेकिन इससे measure किया हुआ जो value है उसकी एक्यूरेसी कम होती है. अभी इससे जो हम लोग मेजर करते हैं तो इसका LC लिस्ट काउंट कम होता है. So that this is better way of measurement of this diameter. So this is not so much important. Maybe at the time of examination we are giving you the diameter of this tube directly for the calculation. अभी मुझे क्या करना है? What is the aim of this experiment? The aim of this experiment, I have to calculate the velocity of sound in air medium. Velocity of sound in air medium, maybe you have studied there. It is nearly equal to 330 meter per second. Okay, or sometimes you have also used 331 meter per second in air medium. Sound की जो velocity है, this is what is. Now the frequency is as it is. How can I calculate? V is equal to 4NL. So V is equal to 4NL अगर आपको निकालना है तो आपको ये दोनों निकालने पड़ेंगे. ऐसे ही निकालना है. Frequency I have written and the length, resonating length I have to write. अभी कैसे लेना है for this resonance tube that I am giving you. This is what one of the tube is given to you. Now it is filled with water. Why water we have placed there? Because we have to see that in the air column only how the waves are created. I think you have studied in that sound waves lesson, and in this case also in that tube ऐसे आपको दिखाया है कि this is what is the water placed over there, and the nodes and antinodes are forming like this. So in this way we have to calculate in the upper part of the tube, and where the resonance is created, how to take the reading. Exact position आपको कैसे लेनी है वो मैं आपको बताऊँ. Set it into vibration is the first part, because आपको जहाँ पे भी लेना है पहले vibration पे सेट करना. यहाँ पे आपको ये पैरेलल रखना है. ट्यूब को टच नहीं करना है, ऐसे भी नहीं रखना है, ऐसे पैरेलल. Keep the distance properly so that both are not touching with each other. अगर टच हो गए ना तो ऐसे वो वायलिन जैसे बजने लगे. So that keep it in the distance position. And now how to take the readings? Set it into vibration. Change the position.
सुनाई दिया क्या कुछ?
पूरा कमी.
Are you listening the voice?
आता थोडंसं खाली वर गेलं तर काहीच ऐकू येणार नाही. सो दॅट proper position. Now fix it in this your stand. Now I am taking only directly the reading. What is that? From the situation, fix it and confirm it whether it is getting for that same position or not. Again I am going to check. कमी येतोय म्हणजे थोडी ॲडजस्टमेंटची गरज आहे. Okay, so in this way you have to note down this reading. कैसे करना है यहाँ पे फिक्स कर लो. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों को ट्यूब अगर ऐसे पकड़ के रखनी है, फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर आपको मेजर करना है जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम साउंड यू कैन see this from the surface of this water level. What is that? In this 15 is we are getting over. काय दिसतंय यहाँ पे
15.2 ये 15 है ये 16 है
15.2 ऐसे आपको जो रीडिंग मिलेंगे. अभी पिछले यहाँ हमें 12 मिला था लेकिन यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिला है 15. So that this is the reading 15. I have to multiply this with this with the help of log table. This is compulsion for board, and that's why you have to write it. Log table आपको पाठ का ये भी ऐसे रिपीट करके लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Log table automatically आपको मिलता है. Then write any. After getting and then multiply it with 4. This will get it in the form of frequency. But I am taking this making in centimeter, so that I am getting this is in the form of centimeter per second. यहाँ पे आपको मीटर पर